Hey, hamster! Where is that idiot Viking? I swear if he doesn't come back with the meat supplies, he's gonna be turned in one of my fiends. Sorry I'm late, Vendetta. Where have you been, Unbearable? And what you got in that sack? Oh, you're gonna love this. Fruit? Veggies? Those aren't meat at all. I turned my back on you for 1 hour and you have gone grocery shopping? Well, I could have gone to the place down the street, but they had a sale in Odin's Mart and I couldn't pass the opportunity. I knew I should have hired you as a meat delivery boy. But what kind of a Viking are you if you don't come back with something to cook burgers with? Oh, sorry about that. Maybe I should have paid attention. Hey, these cookies are good. I wonder what they're made of. Uh-oh. Sounds like trouble. Better go in the kitchen. Oh, my meatloaf maker is ruined. Oh, weird. I wonder who could have done this. Tell it to that guy who ate the cookies over there. Oh, sorry guys. Did you do this? Well, maybe. That meatloaf maker cost $600. What you got to say for yourself? Well, to learn how to apologize, I say... What's happening? Is the restaurant shaking or is it just me?